Okay, I've got the FUMAK pond fountain kit here. So this one is the 550 gallon per hour version. There's a larger one and a smaller one as well. So this is the medium-sized one here. So this is a fountain and a filter for your pond. So let me show you what you get here in the box before I show you it out in the pond. So it has this lid here that you can snap here to tighten and hold it in place. Here you've got the first of all, the coarse sponge filter here. Then you've got a finer sponge filter right here. And you've got the ceramic rings there. You've got 2 bags of those for the beneficial bacteria. And then you've got 2 bags of bioballs. And then your 550 gallon per hour pump right here. In addition to that, you have all these parts and pieces here. These are the telescoping parts, so you can extend the fountain. So there's several different heads you can put on it. There's the bell, which is this one here. There's a daisy and volcano, so you can put on these different heads right there to make those different types of fountains. So a bunch of different parts you can put together. There's instructions. All the instructions are in here for how to assemble and put that all together. And then this also has this kind of waterfall kit here. So if you want to use this just as a filter instead of using it as a fountain, you can use it as a filter to filter the water and then pump all this water up into somewhere else like a waterfall and then have it drain down into your pond. So you can use it that way as well. So yeah, that's everything it comes with. Let me get out in the pond and show you that.